Have you ever wondered what the future of artificial intelligence looks like? It's a question that tickles the imagination and sparks a sense of intrigue. As we stand on the precipice of the AI revolution, it's essential to understand how this technological marvel could potentially reshape our world. Imagine a future where AI systems like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Google's Gemini AI are as common as smartphones today. These advanced systems are not just tools but intelligent entities capable of conversing, coding, and even understanding multiple languages. ChatGPT could be the conversationalist you never had, providing engaging and meaningful dialogue. Microsoft's Copilot might be the coding companion you've always wished for, while Google's Gemini AI could be your personal language tutor. This is just a glimpse into the potential of AI. Are you ready to step into the future and explore the capabilities of these fascinating AI systems? Delving into the world of AI, let us first uncover the marvels of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a fine example of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. It's a language model that uses machine learning to generate text that is incredibly similar to human writing. The purpose of ChatGPT is simple yet profound: to create a more natural, intuitive, and engaging way for humans to interact with machines. This technology is not just a tool, but a revolution in the making. ChatGPT is a powerhouse that goes beyond the generic responses of a traditional chatbot. It uses a deep learning model to understand and respond to user inputs in a manner that exhibits a clear understanding of context and nuance. This ability to carry out meaningful conversations sets ChatGPT apart, making it a revolutionary conversationalist. As we delve deeper into its features, we begin to understand its strengths. ChatGPT can generate creative content, be it a poem, a story, or even a piece of news. It can assist in drafting emails, writing code, and even tutoring in various subjects. Its prowess lies in its ability to adapt to different contexts, making it a versatile tool in various sectors, from customer service to education to entertainment. However, much like everything else in the world, ChatGPT has its limitations. It doesn't always provide perfect responses and can sometimes generate inappropriate or nonsensical replies. It is also incapable of fact-checking or validating the information it generates. These limitations are not drawbacks per se, but rather areas where there is scope for improvement and development. What truly makes ChatGPT a marvel is its conversational abilities. It can maintain the flow of a conversation by recalling past interactions, a trait that makes its responses seem more human-like and less mechanical. This ability to remember and reproduce context is what sets ChatGPT apart from other AI models. It is not just a machine responding to inputs, but a conversationalist contributing to a dialogue. ChatGPT's impact is felt across various sectors. In customer service, it helps in handling queries and providing instant responses. In education, it aids in tutoring and knowledge dissemination. In entertainment, it can generate creative content and engage users in interactive storytelling. The potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and ever-expanding. The key to understanding ChatGPT lies in recognizing its transformative potential. It is not just an AI model, but a tool that is reshaping our interaction with technology. It is redefining the way we converse with machines and pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Clearly, ChatGPT is redefining the way we converse with machines, but how does it compare to other AI systems? Moving on, let's get to know Microsoft's Copilot, the AI that's revolutionizing the coding world. Imagine having an assistant who not only understands your coding language but also anticipates your needs, offers suggestions, and even writes code for you. This isn't a far-off dream, it's the reality with Microsoft's Copilot. So what exactly is Microsoft's Copilot? Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to help developers with their coding tasks. It's like having a seasoned programmer sitting next to you, offering advice, catching mistakes, and providing insights. It's trained on a diverse range of public code repositories, which means it understands a wide array of coding styles and languages. Now let's talk about the features. Copilot offers context-aware code completions. This means it provides suggestions based on the context of your code. It's not just about filling in the blanks, it's about understanding your coding intent and offering the best possible solutions. And how about its strengths? Copilot shines when it comes to understanding and writing code. It can write new lines of code, complete functions, and even generate whole files. It's like having a second pair of hands that just happens to be a coding genius. However, like all AI, Copilot has its limitations. It's not perfect and can sometimes suggest incorrect code. It's also heavily reliant on the quality and diversity of the data sets it was trained on. But remember, it's not meant to replace human developers. Instead, it's a tool designed to make their lives easier. Now let's delve into its role in assisting programmers. Copilot serves as a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced coders. For beginners, it's like having a tutor who's always available to help, offering guidance and suggestions. For experienced developers, it's a time-saving tool that can automate routine tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex problems. And the potential impact on the future of coding? It's enormous. With AI like Copilot, coding could become more accessible to a broader audience. It could also speed up the development process, reduce errors, and lead to more efficient and robust software. With the prowess of Microsoft's Copilot, coding certainly seems like a breeze. But how does Google's Gemini AI fit into this picture? Last, but certainly not least, we introduce Google's Gemini AI, the AI that's breaking down language barriers. This innovative bot is not just a simple translator, but a multilingual mastermind designed to bridge the gap in global communication. Gemini AI is Google's ambitious project to create an artificial intelligence that can understand and respond in multiple languages. Its purpose goes beyond mere translation. It aims to comprehend the nuances, cultural references, and colloquialisms that make each language unique. Imagine having a conversation with someone half a world away in a language you don't speak, and Gemini AI facilitating that conversation seamlessly. That's the kind of future we're looking at. The features that set Gemini AI apart are truly groundbreaking. It can understand context, recognize slang, and even pick up on humor, sarcasm, and other subtle elements of conversation. It's this level of comprehension that sets it apart from other translation tools, but like any AI system, it is not without its limitations. Gemini AI is not perfect. It can make mistakes, misunderstand context, and sometimes fail to translate accurately. But the technology is constantly evolving and improving, and we can expect these issues to be addressed in future updates. The multilingual capabilities of Gemini are truly impressive. It can understand and respond in dozens of languages, from widely spoken ones like English, Spanish, and Mandarin, to less common ones like Icelandic or Basque. This is a huge leap forward in breaking down language barriers and fostering global communication. In a world where language differences often create misunderstandings and conflicts, Gemini AI can serve as a mediator, facilitating clear and accurate communication between people of different language backgrounds. The potential impact of this technology on global communication is enormous. It could revolutionize international business, making it easier for companies to expand into foreign markets. It could transform education, allowing students to learn from resources in different languages. It could even change the way we travel, making it possible to communicate easily with locals in any country. But it's not just about practical benefits. Gemini AI could also foster greater cultural understanding and empathy. By breaking down language barriers, it allows us to connect with people from different cultures, to understand their perspectives and to share our own. This could lead to a more inclusive and empathetic world, where people are brought together by shared understanding rather than divided by language differences. Google's Gemini AI is indeed a game changer in the realm of language translation. It's not just about translating words, but about understanding the nuances that make each language unique. It's about facilitating conversation, fostering understanding, and breaking down barriers. But how do these three AI systems stack up against each other? Now that we've taken a closer look at each of these AI systems, it's time for a side-by-side comparison. Diving right in, let's begin with OpenAI's GPT. It's a conversationalist AI that's been making waves in the tech world. Its biggest strength lies in its ability to generate human-like text, thanks to a language model trained on a diverse range of internet text. However, it isn't without its weaknesses. For one, it sometimes writes things that are nonsensical or irrelevant, and it doesn't always understand the context of a conversation. But in the grand scheme of things, its potential applications, like drafting emails or writing code, are quite impressive. Moving on to Microsoft's Copilot. This AI is a coder's dream come true. It's designed to assist with code completion, making it a potent tool for developers. Its strength is its deep understanding of syntax and programming languages, making it a valuable assistant in coding projects. But it's not perfect. It relies heavily on the code it's been trained on, which means it might not always provide the most innovative or efficient solutions. Yet its potential to save time and streamline the coding process is undeniable. Next up is Google's Gemini AI. This multilingual master has the edge when it comes to language translation. It can understand and translate multiple languages, making it a useful tool for global communication. However, like all AI, it has its limitations. It might struggle with nuances of language, cultural references, and idioms. Nevertheless, its potential to break down language barriers and facilitate global communication is exciting. Now let's talk about the future of AI with these three powerhouses. With ChatGPT, we're looking at a future where AI can help us draft emails, write articles, or even generate creative writing. Imagine having a personal assistant that can write in your style, saving you time and effort. Microsoft's Copilot, on the other hand, could revolutionize the world of software development. We might see a future where coding becomes more accessible and developers can focus more on problem-solving and creative aspects of their projects. It could democratize coding, making it an accessible skill for many more people. And as for Google's Gemini AI, it could completely transform how we communicate internationally. We could see a world where language barriers are a thing of the past. Imagine being able to communicate with anyone, anywhere, regardless of the language you speak. Each of these AI systems has its unique strengths and weaknesses, but it's their potential applications that are truly exciting. They're not just changing the way we write emails, code software, or communicate in different languages. They're reshaping our future, redefining possibilities, and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. And remember, AI is a tool. Its impact depends on how we use it. With responsible use and continuous development, these AI systems can lead us into a future where technology is an enabler, not a barrier. A future where AI is not just a buzzword, but an integral part of our daily lives. In conclusion, whether it's ChatGPT's conversational prowess, Microsoft's Copilot's coding assistance, or Google's Gemini AI's translation capabilities, each of these systems brings something unique to the table. Their potential to redefine our future is immense. Each of these AI systems holds immense potential, and their collective impact on our future is undeniable. So, what have we learned today about these AI systems? We delved into the world of ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Google's Gemini AI. These are not just impressive tech tools, but revolutionary conversationalists, coders' companions, and multilingual masters. ChatGPT excels in generating human-like text, while Microsoft's Copilot is a game-changer for coders, providing on-the-go programming assistance. Google's Gemini AI dazzles us with its multilingual capabilities, breaking down linguistic barriers. But they're not without their limitations. They're still learning, just like us. Yet their potential is undeniable. These AI systems are poised to revolutionize not just the tech industry, but every aspect of our lives, from how we communicate to how we work and even how we think. As we continue to embrace AI, we're not just looking at a technological revolution, we're looking at a new way of life.